I've been building this big bandsaw, and that involves lots and lots and lots of clamping. And I've come to realize these skinny handles on some of these clamps is a terrible ergonomic shape. Fat handles like this are quite a bit better, but I've also been using these clamps, which I made using some knobs that already had a square shape like that. And I've come to realize this is actually a really great shape for grabbing. It's very ergonomic, more so than 3 points or 5 points. So for this bandsaw, I've been making knobs like that for turning as well. And I thought, what if I could put a knob like that on a clamp? So I've been thinking, how can I join something like this to the handle? And as is often the case, the answer is the panther router, because I can use that to carve a tenon of an exact shape on the end of an existing piece of wood. So let's make a knob for this clamp, and I'll use my not quite finished yet bandsaw. So that fits very snugly on the test tenon I carved, and I carved that using a circular template so that the router sweeps around a circle, leaving a round tenon in the middle. I had to rig up a special clamping block to clamp this on there. I used my bandsaw, of course. That wasn't clamped down hard enough. Fortunately, I've got lots of handle left. Okay, take two. Still got to glue that on, but this one actually screwed up twice, so the knob is really short, and I think I like that one more, so I'll shorten that one too. I've modified 12 of my clamps, including some of the nice specie ones. Let's do a little clamp comparison. So I'll tighten this one down real good. And now let's try this knob. Oh, easy. Of course, it's possible those handles are deliberately hard to turn to prevent over tightening. And for some uses, like attaching a stop block to a fence, that knob can get in the way, which is why I won't be doing all of my clamps this way. And they present a bit of a challenge on the clamp rack, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Ran out of medium length modified clamps there, but they sure are nice to use.